What is a digital copyright takedown notice? Have you ever wondered how online content can be removed so quickly? This brings us to the topic of digital copyright takedown notices. A digital copyright takedown notice is a formal request made under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, often referred to as the DMCA. This notice allows copyright holders to demand the removal of online content that they believe infringes on their rights. The process is designed to help rights holders notify online service providers, like websites and social media platforms, about unauthorized material. When a takedown notice is submitted, the service provider must act quickly to avoid potential liability. This creates a streamlined enforcement tool that prioritizes the interests of copyright holders. From a sociological perspective, this system highlights the ongoing conflict between individual creativity and corporate ownership. In our digital world, where user-generated content is prevalent, the balance between sharing and protecting intellectual property becomes increasingly complex. The takedown notice reflects how laws adapt to regulate behavior in rapidly changing online environments. For a takedown notice to be valid, it must include specific details. It should identify the copyrighted work, specify the location of the infringing material, and provide contact information for the copyright holder. This clarity helps service providers respond appropriately to the notice. While the system is widely used to combat piracy, it also raises concerns about overreach. There are instances where fair use or non-infringing content gets caught up in the takedown process. Automated tools and bulk submissions from large media companies can lead to industrialized enforcement, which often disadvantages smaller creators who may struggle to navigate the complexities of the process. The implications of this system are significant for online ecosystems. The takedown process influences what content remains visible and accessible. It reflects the tension between protecting intellectual labor and encouraging open collaboration, a central theme in digital culture studies. The DMCA includes safe harbor provisions that protect platforms from liability if they comply with takedown requests. This incentivizes aggressive content moderation, which can indirectly affect cultural expression and information sharing. Moreover, frequent use of takedowns by corporations can marginalize amateur creators, reinforcing existing hierarchies in digital narratives. On the flip side, misuse of the system, such as false claims to silence criticism, exposes vulnerabilities in relying solely on self-policing mechanisms. These dynamics reveal how legal structures both respond to and influence cultural shifts in authorship and ownership. The digital copyright takedown notice serves as a case study in how digital cultures negotiate ownership, creativity, and power. It reflects broader societal values around intellectual property in the Internet age, showing us how complex and interconnected these issues truly are.